Hello, I'm here for your soul. Just kidding. It's me. It's midnight or 12. 12. It's 12:48. It is very late. Just a little bit ago, when there was barely any light, it was pitch black. Pitch black. Literally, out the windows, it looked like this. Let me just adjust it really quick. Looked like that. Like this. Literally, this. I couldn't see anything because there was barely any light. I could only barely see trees. It was. And that's happening now. It's happening now. But it was very dark, and it's very dark because they decided to stop doing lights all of a sudden. But it's very dark. No, sorry, I didn't know if you heard me because I had to pause my video in the mid. I accidentally paused my video, but it is very dark. I'm in the middle of Kentucky, basically, on my way to Tennessee, South Carolina. And I believe we're passing by Lexington. Are we passing by Lexington?
What now?
Are we passing by Lexington? Oh, we passed Lexington. So, sorry that this is short, but I sort of don't have a choice of how long this is, or it would just be annoying. Or it would just be annoyingly pointless, but, well, this is over.